Pond5.com. Pond5.com.
Hi everybody, my name is Anna Maria and I have 15 years. You know me as Carmelo Delight or Melo-chan. Finally, you could tell me how you want. I know I promised that I will take a tour of my room, but I can't do it because my camera went out. I wanted to do something special before I give a capacity exam with this next week. I just wanted you to know that I will take a short break from videos and studios activities, but after exam I will take a special tour of my room. Even though I have not shown my room, you can see how I look. I know that I'm not beautiful, but please don't put rude comments that I will delete them. I want to find you that I love very much to draw, and I'll show you some of my work. I also draw on a website since 2 years. Website is called Read My Drawings. For those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I hope it will do. I recently opened a YouTube channel where I make videos with Miss Club and another channel where I make videos with Monster High. Please follow on there. For fans of Monster High, I have a blog that is very popular, so please visit it. For those who want to visit or taking a boat, I will put all links in the description. Now I will show you my drawings because I stitched it too much. Bye bye friends, I almost forgot. Please vote me Naruto Shippuden t-shirt contest. Thank you. Hope you will be happy of my art. Bye bye YouTube.
Pond5.com. 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 Pond5.com.